On today's Try to Finish Something, if you haven't yet made a donation to the Praise Kelechi GoFundMe page that I set up, I'd really appreciate it if you could donate $5 or $20, whatever it is that you have. If you see what this young artist has done, this cosplay artist has put together using nothing but cardboard most of the time, it's inspirational. To see the background and the pictures of where he's doing this, it's astonishing. If you haven't had a chance to make a donation, consider doing so. I'll put the link in the video description for Praise Kelechi. He's an inspirational young man, and I know Brian from the Smugglers Room has donated, and anything that you could give, whether it's $5 or $20 or even more, that would be great. I would love to see what we as a community could do to help out this young artist. Now, I just wrapped up the Shore Trooper cosplay, the kit that I'm going for 501st approval on. I know it seems like the last video for you. It's the same day for me. I'm wrapping this up and driving down to LA for a very quick 2-day trip. And yes, driving. I'm in the Sacramento area, and that's a 14-hour round-trip visit. Seems like I probably shouldn't go to Disneyland since I don't have a lot of time while I'm down there, but am I? Yeah, I am. I have a blank canvas in this build room that I have, and it needs to be Star Wars, and I plan on going to the Galaxy's Edge to see if I can find inspiration. That's my excuse. I really just love Disneyland, and I'm going to make a quick 2-day trip and show you the same footage that I find inspiration in, and hopefully it will inspire you as well. And that's what I'm going to do on today's Try to Finish Something. So like I said just moments ago, my Shore Trooper fittings are done, and I ran out the door to drive 7 hours one way to Disneyland. And I know what you're thinking. Oh my gosh, we feel so sorry for you. All right, there is inspiration everywhere inside Disneyland, even from here at Big Thunder Mountain with rusty pipes and fossilized dinosaurs. And I'm here with my wife and kids, and they wanted to hit Guardians of the Galaxy in the other park before Star Wars. And of course, I found Star Wars inspiration there too. From the doors, the wall panels, they all scream Star Wars to me. But once inside these containment units, I might have to make hanging Star Wars versions of these. Ooh, and this sign? I need some door signs. Now, over in Galaxy's Edge, I'm always blown away by Disney and how much detail and parts they put into the park that no one but me, well, and you nerds, will ever even care about. I need droid lights. Ooh, and the texture on the walls and grime on containers is great, and something I need to expand on. I love the whole feel of this Galaxy's Edge world where you get that natural rock texture and the carved stone and concrete, and I'm filling with inspiration, and I'm draining my wallet. So as I mentioned earlier, my build room is bare with a single terrible light in the middle of the ceiling. And as I stroll around, I am mentally sketching what I am planning to do. I need multiple wall textures, and blaster marks. I need a spaceship crash through the ceiling and containment canisters and lots of ceiling wires and lights and, oh dear God, this is gonna be a lot. Now, to enter the Falcon and ride the Smugglers Run. God, that's a great ride, and we did better this time than the last time that we rode it. I like these metal supports too, so when you come here to the park, you have to go to Ronto Roasters. The food is amazing. The Ronto and non-Ronto version is delicious. We ate there twice. The whole scenery here is outstanding too. So we did make it on Rise of the Resistance, and it's a pain to get a reservation. There is an app-based boarding list, and the first day we failed at 7 a.m., and then at noon we wound up on a standby list and later got dropped. The second day we failed at 7 a.m. and made it on at noon. The pre-ride walkthrough is very much like the Falcon ride, and it's awesome. Might have to do a weapons rack. But the ride itself, holy crap. I will just show you a few scenes and not give too much detail, but I was blown away. The ride, the experience, the sheer scale of this is breathtaking. The technology is amazing. I was surprised and stunned. So my quick trip to Disneyland and a few items that I left with. A few spare droid parts that I will make into some lighting. They were having a sale, so I bought a few different things, and creatures for my containment units that I'm going to build. And this guy, he's pretty cool. He sits on your shoulders with magnets and has some movement and sounds. So I have some ideas for the future of this build room and got in last night at 2 a.m. I guess technically I got in this morning at 2 a.m. And I'm calling my Disneyland idea trip finished. If you enjoyed this video, please tell a friend and share the video and consider subscribing if you haven't. And as always, if you didn't, just keep it to yourself. And we'll see you next time as we try to finish something.